Thank you. Started. So we are going to start from 137, problem number 137. Yesterday, actually, we started at 125 and somebody asked me about en passant, en passant, and then we completed en passant. Everybody has understood en passant clearly well.
Yes.
So today we would like to complete all 170 problems. See, the problems are actually half of it. Okay, because one page is for their answer, continuation of the move. So 137 to 170 means hardly 33 problems. So there must be 16 or 17 problems. Okay, so all those problems we should complete and we should be able to move further. I'm going to share the screen. Can everybody see the screen? Yeah. The first problem here it comes. White to move and move a piece to create a fork. That piece could be anything. It could be queen, it could be knight, or it could be now here rook. Come on. So much time. Very easy.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Prithvi.
Sir,
Sir, sir, the rook will come to f6.
Perfect. Rook will come to f6 and giving fork. What will be your
सर
next
मी
move?
पण बोललो होतो.
Oh yes, good, good.
मी विचार.
Next, black to move, create the fork.
Sir,
Yes, yeah.
sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Sir, the rook in C2 will move to C6.
Okay. Anybody else? Come on, come on, come on.
Sir, the rook in.
Huh?
Sir, the rook in C2 will come to C6.
Okay. Fine. Anybody else? Everybody has the same opinion, or if you have any
Sir,
different?
can I?
Yes.
Sir, the rook in D2 will move to D6.
Okay. She has a different opinion. Anybody else? One who has not answered. I am here only. I can listen very and I can see the screen also. I'm just going to fill up my cup. Okay. Continue.
सर ह्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये 2-3 फोर्क आहेत.
वन 2 3 4 घेतलं खरी गोष्ट आहे. चलो, I will tell you which one is correct. See, there are
Sir.
two. Yes. There.
Sir, the pawn in G5 will come to G4.
Pawn in G5 will come to G4. Okay, that is a fork. Yes, good, Dev. You have realized that is a fork. Now, it is good or bad? Let us see afterwards. Anything? Or everybody?
Sir, rook in C2 will come to C4.
C2 will come to C4. Fine. Let us find out now. Let us find out what is the correct answer. Now, one by one. First is this you gave. Okay. This is fork, but it is bad because there is no support to this pawn, and this pawn may kill. This is out of question. Then here also, this is out of question because this pawn will kill here. See, white is coming down and black is going up. So this way it will kill. So this is wrong. Then this is also wrong. Rook C6 is wrong. You know why? Because see, it is a fork, that is true. But this bishop will come over here later, attacking this rook. So if this rook goes can kill this, you will lose your rook. And if this rook also come up, then bishop on E3 will take G5, supporting this horse. So you won't get anything. So this is better. Right answer. So you have to understand what will happen afterwards. All the time I am telling you this next all problems, you have to think little ahead. What will be the next? What will be the next? Come on. White to move. बरं का काहीतरी टाकून दे ना सूप टाकून दे ना सूप
सर मी ट्राय करू सर कैन आई ट्राय सर कैन आई ट्राय
I am mute. I couldn't hear. I didn't realize that. I was saying yes, yes, yes.
Sir, rook in C2 will come to no, rook in E2 will come to E6.
Sir, can I try?
This will come to E6. This is wrong. Yes, you can try.
Sir, the pawn in B2 will come to B4.
Other pawn will kill.
Other pawn will kill. This is also wrong. So wrong.
Can I try?
Yes.
Rook in E2 will come to E7.
Sir,
Attacking
sir,
the pawn and checkmate.
sir, if checkmate is there, is it okay?
You have to try the checkmate is there. Of course, yes. No? Why not? But the E7 is wrong because this rook will get killed. Wrong.
Yes, knight will kill.
No, sir, but it has the support of bishop.
But you are losing 5 points and you are getting 3 points. Exchange down. Yes, anybody? Riddhi, you are late. Why?
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
Sir, the bishop will come to F6.
Knight will
It will
kill.
get killed. It will get killed. That is a check, but where is the fork then? Everybody exhausted? Shall I tell? Riddhi, can you tell?
Rook will move to E6.
Rook will move to E6. Wrong. Because this pawn is already supported and this rook will support that pawn. This rook will come and support the pawn. This pawn is supported already with this.
Power is not there. That's why I become late.
Okay. Now power is there, you are there, and I am also here. So now you tell me the answer. आपला नाही गरज असतं. अर्ध्या मिनिटात काय झालं असतं. थोडं पाणी टाक, थोडंसं ते टाक आणि थोडं जास्त गरम झालं. जाऊ शकतो पण तो पॉन मारेल ना. So everybody exhausted. Let me tell you. Very easy. This is the fork. Now where is the fork?
सर मला वाटलं पण ते
Fork
rookला
was
मारते आणि दुसरं
attack on rook and second attack is on king. Checkmate. So checkmate, to save the checkmate, knight has to come and then you have to kill the knight. So ultimately there was a fork between rook and knight, and black saved the rook and you got the knight. You understood this? Everybody? Riddhi, you understood beta? पृथ्वी तुझे में नहीं आया बेटा, ये आना चाहिए था. White to move a piece to create the fork.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Dev.
The knight will come to C4.
No, it is wrong because this knight will kill. Another knight will kill. This knight will kill. Ah,
Sir, can I tell?
yes.
Sir, the rook in G4 will come to H4.
Sir,
And giving fork to whom? This is where
King and pawn.
Pawn and king. Checkmate and pawn.
pawn is
Sir.
already under pressure. Pawn is already under pressure. Yes, Prithvi.
sir, the pawn will move to B4.
Pawn will move to B4. That is wrong. Because
Bishop
pawn
will
will
kill.
kill n patient. En passant will come, na? You have heard.
Can I tell?
Yeah, listen, na? You have heard, na?
Can I tell?
Sir, can I tell?
Sir,
Wait,
can I
wait,
tell?
wait, everybody wait. Everybody wait. Everybody please mute. Day before yesterday, Prithvi was not there. So Prithvi, you missed quite a good lesson that is en passant. So have you watched that video on YouTube?
I didn't get it.
Oh. I will check it. If I haven't posted, I will post it today. And please watch that. That is very important session because that was saying that this particular pawn can kill this pawn if I move over here directly. So quite well explained over there. So please go through it. I don't want you to miss that. Okay, so that is why this. Otherwise, your answer is correct since you were not knowing that. Okay. Now, who is saying anything?
Can I tell?
Riddhi. Riddhi.
Knight will come to F3.
F3. No fork. Only on attack on this only.
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Sir, the pawn on D3 will move to D4.
Simple. ये दोनों के ऊपर इतना सिंपल है आपके नजर के सामने था और आपको नहीं आया. शे, very bad.
Sir, bishop will kill.
बिशप
Sir, bishop.
ये क्या करना है? ये क्या पानी भर रहा है क्या वहां पर? पानी भरने के लिए गया? Bishop, if bishop kills, then you can kill. And this rook, if kills this rook, there is a support. You understand? It was very simple. Before you, एक problem, दो difficult problem आ गए और एक बीच में simple problem आ गया तो आपको लगा कि वो भी difficult ही है. Why you are looking at the difficult things? There could be a simple things also before your eyes. And I am telling you, this is fact. Solving difficult problem is more simple than solving simple problems. Like to move.
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
Sir, the rook in G4 will move to D4, giving fork to knight and giving checkmate attack to white king.
Absolutely right. Well explained. Yeah, very good. Very good. This over here. What
Thank
will
you,
happen?
sir.
rook here, checkmate. So if you have to save the checkmate, then pawn will move. Okay, then rook will take the knight. Absolutely beautiful. Now what? Checkmate. Good one. Next, white to move.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, Durga.
So can I say?
Sir,
Durga.
the pawn on c6 will move to c7.
Absolutely good, yaar, Durga. Wonderful, wonderful. This is a fantastic idea. See, if it moves over here, a threat is to this. And if it moves, then checkmate. Not checkmate, but at least you are getting, this will come back, but you are getting the queen. And that is quite a big thing. Okay?
Sir, it is checkmate.
No, this knight will come back. How it is for Namrata ma'am is asking how it is for, and let me explain her, just wait. Fork means attacking two or more than two things. So when this attack is on knight, also pawn can move up. So this is this square and this square. Two squares are in problem now. Abhi, yes, Abhi, if black comes to save with king up, king d7, then white will kill this. And if nobody comes to rescue, then straight. Okay, he saved it, and then king आला तर मग नाईट पण जातो ना, मग त्याची नाईट न देणं बरं. Everybody knows Namrata ma'am, na? Yeah, she is also sitting with me. My other students also here, they know her very well. Perhaps only Ranveer and Aditya may not be knowing. Aditya, you also.
सर मला माहिती आहे.
Okay, bye. रणवीर हा दोन पैकी एक जण इथे हे येलो स्ट्रीप आली ना की त्यांचं बोनस. ओके, व्हाईट टू मूव.
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
The knight in c3 will come to b5.
Okay. Fork, but wherever you are giving fork, every piece is supported. Every pawn is supported. So that is not a very good fork. A better fork is available.
Sir, but I'm not. If I come to b5, the fork is to bishop also.
Right, but bishop is supported.
And check.
But the bishop is supported by pawn. So if you kill the bishop, pawn will kill knight, and it is equal. So basically what you are saying is right. That is the fork. But when there is a better fork available, why you are going for that? That is the question. You have to play the best always.
Sir, can I say?
Wait, Durga. Let Aditya say. Aditya has not participated.
Sir,
Yes, Aditya. Samia not participated. Come on, Samia.
Sir, the E3 bishop can come to D5.
Giving fork to whom?
Sir, the
Yes, Samya, giving
Sir,
fork to
can
whom?
I try?
Wait, sir, let Samya complete her answer.
Sir, to knight and queen.
That is not a fork. That is called as usually we call it as a pin or a X-ray. X-ray or a pin. This is a pin purely because smaller piece is ahead and bigger piece is behind. So this is a pin. If bigger piece is ahead and smaller behind, that is X-ray.
sir, can I say?
No, Ira.
Sir, can I?
Sir, the pawn will move to E5.
Yes, Ranveer, you?
Sir, same.
Okay, perfect. That is the correct. See, just before your eyes. Why you are looking elsewhere? Now what you will do next? Ira, tell me.
बोलो.
Or we can kill the bishop.
Ira,
Killing the bishop.
killing the bishop.
Killing the bishop. Sir,
Yes.
we can do Anpasa.
No, not here. Not here. This is not Anpasa. Anpasa is when pawn moves 2 steps and pawn to pawn only. Next. White to move.
Sir, can I tell?
No. Aditya, you haven't answered yet. Yeah.
Sir, me करो.
Riddhi, can you answer?
Yeah. So, the rook will come to F5.
Okay, rook will come to F5. That is wrong. Anybody else?
Sir, can I try?
Yes, Ranveer.
So,
Sir, rook in E5 will come to B5.
Perfect. Perfect. Now the fork is whom? To whom it has given the fork?
Sir,
and
pawn and yes, checkmate to king, and it is killing knight also, and it is killing pawn also.
There is no checkmate.
sir,
There is no checkmate.
sir,
Yes.
sir, but how is it a fork if the knight is already under attack by the rook?
Where is knight is attack on the rook? Who says knight is attack on the rook? Or rook is attacking? The rook cannot move this way. Rook moves only straight, na? Yeah.
Sir,
Yes,
on the
straight in
pawn.
all directions.
Sir, on the pawn.
On the pawn is there. Yes.
Sir, if the rook is,
That is there. On the pawn already it is
but
there.
then how is it a fork?
Yeah. But he said that the fork is there. Check also. He said 3. Check pawn and knight. So that is why I didn't say anything. He was right. Samia, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer?
So, the rook will come to B5.
And giving fork to whom?
So, knight
And
and pawn.
pawn already it is attacking.
Sir, can I say?
Yes. There.
The rook will come to E7.
Giving fork to
giving fork to the bishop and the square e8.
E8. Square E8, he can always go now also. That square is not safe. Bishop will kill. And when you are attacking bishop, bishop is already supported. That is why it is not a good fork. Anybody else? Durga?
Sir, B5 only.
E5 only. So I said no, that is the right answer, but you are not giving entirely right answer. I want complete right answer. Means you are giving only half the answer. Fork to whom? Ranveer said one side there is a checkmate and one side there is a pawn and one side there is a knight. I didn't see any checkmate. There should be explanation also. See, this is right move. I will show you how. What happens now? What happens? Here, checkmate as per Ranveer is not a checkmate because this can come over here. And when this comes over here, there is a no support. So, rook will kill and give check. King will come out again, but at least rook gets this piece free. If allowed to give check, and if not allowed to give check, means king comes little out, then you can kill the knight. So this is the way. Now what he has moved this, taking us, making a space for king movement. Now you can't go and give the check. Instead it is better this. Everybody understood? So explanation should be there. Black to move, create the fork.